This video is a step-by-step guide to the registration process for XSEED Universal. Go to register.xseededucation.com or scan the QR code on your XSEED Universal Access card. This takes you to the XSEED registration page. The registration process involves first registering the student and then the parent. Enter the user code printed on your Universal Access card here. Next, enter a mobile number for the student, if any. If the student does not have their own mobile number, you can leave this field blank. Do not enter the parent mobile number here. Enter the student's name and email address, if any. If the student does not have an email address, you can leave this field blank. Select one option for the gender of the student. Select the date of birth. Enter the PIN code of your current address and select the current grade of the student. Finally, upload a photo of the school identity card or any other government-issued ID card, for example Aadhaar card. Click Submit to complete the registration process for the student and move to the parent registration page. At the top of the parent registration page, you can see the XSEED ID assigned to the student. Enter the parent name, followed by the mobile number. You can see that the checkbox approving the use of WhatsApp for communication is checked on. After entering the mobile number, click on the Verify button. You will receive an OTP on WhatsApp from XSEED Education. Enter the OTP and click Submit. Enter the email address. Note that in the case of parents, providing one mobile number or email address is mandatory. This will be used by the parent to log into their account on the XSEED Universal app. Enter the parent gender, the PIN code, and select whether the parent is the child's father or mother. You can add the details of the second parent as well by clicking the Add Parent button. It is not mandatory to do so. Click Submit to complete the registration process. You will also receive an email confirming the success of your registration, as well as your child's XSEED ID for future reference. Proceed to XSEED Universal by clicking on the Login button. Enter the school access key received from the school and click Verify. This will verify and confirm the validity of your access key. Enter the student section and roll number and click the Link Student button. You are now ready to use XSEED Universal.